with all of these ingredients. We got celery, lime, apple, ginger, and cucumber. Okay, let's get the blender. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut up my ingredients in the meantime. Big up yourself. All right, so the first thing, sometimes when I cut up the ingredients, I cut up too much. So I'm gonna start to do it this way. So we're gonna put in ginger. All right, that's the first thing. Is the ginger. All right. And then the second thing, we're going to put in 1 medium-sized lime, which we talked about before. Okay, excellent. All right. And now we are cutting up green apple. Okay. Yeah. All right. Now is green apple. Put in 1 medium-sized green apple. All right. So now we're going to put in cucumber. All right. We're using half a cucumber. Look at that. Amazing. So that's the cucumber. Yeah, that's the cucumber right there. We're gonna put in a few celery sticks inside of it. So this is the celery we are using right here inside of it. All right, roughly about 2 celery sticks. That's it. We're not using too many celery. We're gonna leave the rest for tomorrow morning. The rest of the week we're gonna be making juice. Every morning we're making juice for this week. What you don't want to do is add any sugar or honey or sweetener. Now we are going to put in some water. Little bit of water, not too much. So I think that's the best way I must do the juice, because when I do it sometime I cut up too many ingredients, guys. I don't like to waste things. Put on the lid. So we put on the lid. Excellent. Now this is how it looks. So we're gonna blend this, okay? All right, now the good thing is that you can get yourself a copy of my book on Amazon. There's a 50% off right now. So go and grab it, guys. Grab it, grab it, grab it as quick as you can. Lovely. So now what we're gonna do is blend. Amazing. So we're gonna just simply pour it out. Just like this. Excellent. Alright. And as you guys can see, now what we're gonna do is use a spoon, get the liquid out of it. Now you don't have to waste this, you can drink it also. so you guys can see. All right. Now, I'm gonna say, as I said before, all right, you don't have to waste that. You can eat it, okay? A good vibes. Nice one. So you guys can see that beautiful. Yes, the water is just room temperature water. Using. All right, I'm not drinking it cold. It's room temperature water. I'm using to make it lovely. All right, now what we're gonna do, come right here and we're going to simple. All right, if you can, that will be amazing. Look at that, beautiful and excellent. So that's what we're talking about, making yourself a nice lovely juice in the morning like this. You can't go wrong. All right, so 100% you guys definitely will enjoy this. So drink this for about 10 days. A good vibes. 10 days is perfect for you with this, and an amazing, incredible juice this morning with cucumber, celery, apple, ginger this morning. Fantastic recipe, and I know you guys definitely will enjoy it. Okay, so what you want to do, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and make sure you hit that subscriber button. That means you don't miss my videos when I make it. Fantastic. So that is done and out of the way. All right, guys. So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to give this a try and see. Amazing. Wow. This tastes really good. Yeah, you can taste that celery and the lime. Because I use the skin of the lime inside of it. Yeah. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Thank you so much. Amazing. Here it is, natural green juice in the morning. So, if you are watching this show right now, I'm going to tell you, you can do the same thing. All right? Yeah, so definitely give it a try, give it a go. All right? And I will be catching up with you guys in my next episode tomorrow morning, again with more green juice in the morning. So we're going to be doing this for the next couple of days. All right, to this morning is an amazing one. All right, guys, so tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend.